Hi, welcome everybody and Sungai to our factories, and I'm so happy to invite a product manager to show you how to produce the goods for you. Okay, welcome the Helen to share for you. Okay.
Hello friend. Good morning friend. Welcome to our industrial area. Now today we show you how to produce kitchen basket. Now let's go. We go to factory to check how to producing. One of the factory, the production. This is very long, this is very long. Totally 6 meters. Normally 3 meters, 6 meters, or 5 meters. So, this material. Now this is a simple for the sample cutting machines. So come on, let's go. So if your friend come to China, before you went to China to check some hardware factory, then you know the hardware, some first material. Here is the basket, only the, how to say, is before finish. Come on here. This is for the pull down basket, one part. This is stainless steel one. Oh, a little noisy, but you must hear this. Oh, okay, how to say here? Oh, now is near the noon time. Come on here, Which friend know what's this? You know what's this? If you know this, maybe we can give you China is red bag. Maybe you have another point. This is for snake basket. Also we call it magic corner. Magic corner is the frame, the metal frame part. Later we show you inside how to assembly. Okay, this machine is for cutting. Our workers go to the lunch now, so we'll come next step. Later you will know this part how to use. This is for the pull down basket, the hanger. All these 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. The pallet is for snake the frame, snake basket frame. Also magic frame. Later show you the whole one. Oh, come here. Just now I show you the before finish. That is a little black, little dirty. But this, this is more shining. This way after the chrome finish. So this is the snake basket, the frame, metal frame, inside another board. Inside will be another board. You see this? Like heart, or like snake, or what you like. Anything you can imagine. You know what? Who knows how many in this pallet? Normally maybe 100 pieces, like one pallet like this. Okay? Come. Hello friend. This is our engineers to adjustable the machine and try to make some samples. How to improve some parts to make more better qualities. Some little part for the corners. All the engineer every day working here to checking how to improve the quality, how to improve the size, the thickness, finish, many the days. So to give our customers the best goods. Okay? Oh, here are small rooms. This one is inside, Who knows? Just now I showed the metal frame for snake basket. This is inside the board, but this is only the material, not finished. Not finished. Not finished, only the little board, like this. No, not so this one. Come on. Let's go. We'll quickly take a round. Oh, this is a square one. This is for square the frame for the small basket one. This stainless steel 304. This one, why? That is white, this is green. Who knows? One question? Here, you know, this green one after another, how to say, secret. Later tell you. Any friend know Chinese? Oh, here is our working room, you know. This is the frames. Here is wiring. Wiring, we test the wiring, the host. Here's wiring. You know, all the frame is after bending. But only 1 pound wiring. After wiring will be polished. Then finished. So this wiring will be very important, very strong. You can see here. 1. Oh, another one. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 10. Oh, about 20 pounds wiring. 20 pounds wiring. Okay, let's go. Hello. Oh, this is also a working room. You know, this is a dish rack for the kitchen. The dish rack, you know, this is before finish, so a little black one. And everything need a different machine to do. You know, many parts, wiring, polish, and bending, also cutting. So many the procedures. One basket, if after packing, I think more than 20 procedures can finish. So, you know, the workers really they work hard and every day to thinking how to improve, how to make it better. Also working in that, this is the working room to do, okay? Oh, this is machines also for the wiring. Give 1 second to show. You know, this is the tooling to fix then to welding. So very carefully, everything is by hand welding to be sure everything is correct. Oh, very fast. 2 pounds finished. This is 1 finish. Because everything is after bending. So one side is 2 pound welding, then finish this part. One, 2, 3. Okay, finish.
Okay, the next and another part, let's go to the packaging department. Let's see the products, how to package for them. Okay, let's go. Hi, welcome to come back. And now it's arrives our packaging department. Let's go. Some guys let's go to see how the department looks like. Okay, let's go. Okay, now come to the door. You can see there are so many products has ready the cut the packages is put on here. Yes, you can see there are so many items. Yeah, okay. Let's go. Let's see. You can see there are so many products to here. This is our packages department, and see the detail. This product is already department on the plate. Yes, the goods will like this. Camera to see the details. These the corners baskets. Yeah, you can see these the finish. They are finished and ready to shipping. Yes, they are ready to shipping. So you don't worry. They will destroy in the shipping. Their packages wrong. Okay. Yeah, this side is our packaging line. Yeah. Now you can see there are so many so many workers are packing the products here. Yes, you can see this is the paper, this is the vinyl, this is the paper carton to pack for this goods. Okay, this side. Yes, you can see this the our left side is the basket. Yeah, is the bucket. You can see this they have ready on the place. Yes, the ready to shipping on like this. Yeah, you pass with the one OPP bag will like this. Yeah, you can see the detail. Yeah, some guy to know who is the where to use this. Yeah, this is the kitchen basket. When you have the corners to install is they put some things on this upside. Okay, the worker is packing the products. One set will pay in or let me see, no one set. Two sets pay in cartons, and they will have this the installation. Yes, is some guys can know how to install it with this. Okay, the packaging will very stronger, so don't worry to destroy it. And this side will have this to protect them. Okay, one side will like this. Okay. Here in our packaging line, you see the all product will press down like this, put on this. Yes. See the detail. One set with the OPP bag transfer. We have the two color. You can see this color is gray. Oh, it's gray. The one side is the gray, and the back side is the white color. And also, someone have the color units. We also can make the color for you. But normally, is the white color and the gray color. Okay. Okay. This part is the before the packaging. Yes, before the packaging, you can see the detail. The detail we like this. The detail, and this product also use for this. Yeah. Okay, to see the detail. Now today we mainly pass the basket only for this product. Yeah. Now some guy to see the next part. We'll see another part how while they working, the worker is what's doing. Okay, let me see. Okay, the worker is the one piece by one piece. Yes, you can see the detail. Hi, welcome. Some guys can see the product in our back side is the good is ready to shipping, and now some guys and also want to see more details before the shipping, how to press them for the products. Okay, let's see our Chorus Zela to introduce for you some guys to share you more details. Let's go.
Hello friend, here is Zela, and for our this install and packing parts, let me show you. Okay, come on. Here is our soft clothing accessories. Yes, and for this one, we will install with the gas spring, and then to have the packets, and to install with our this soft clothing accessories in it. And then you can see here is after soft clothing installed, and this the whole set soft clothing accessories. Yes, and this string is a string aunt, and it will install with our string chain and to rotate. Okay, and this our to install the screws. Here we will install the screws with our soft clothing accessories. Yes, here is our this soft clothing accessories to install with our this string arm. Yeah, the string arm means it can rotate when our string chain on it. And it will turn left and then turn right. Yes, this arm's the function is to control its direction. Okay, come on. And for next part here, more accessories. And you can see it is installed with our string chain. And also I can share with you these accessories how to install. Here. Yes, here install it. And here install it. Here. Yes, and these three accessories is to help this string chain to rotate. With that string arm. Okay, and this one is the axle stationary. This axle stationary is to install in here. It can stand in our cabinet's middle, and then it can control when this string arm to rotate, and then it will help to let our string chain to turn left and turn right. And also, after our workers to install these accessories, and then we will have to whip our finish to be clear and clean. And after that, yeah, you can see here is our workers is whipping the finish. Yeah, here you can see it's whipping the finish to be clean and clear. Yeah, you can see. And for the here is the non-tip sleeve. It can empty the damage. And also here it has the clear finish. Here. These two finish. These two. Yes, here are this packaging with the tube. This tube support screws, and here is our string arms, and this axle stationary, and this string chain, and this whole set packing in one cartons. And it also have this installation instruction, so you can easy to install according to this instruction. And also we will packing these whole sets in one packaging and disassemble, so that you can save the shipping costs when in the sea shipment. And you can see here our carton. It's really strong. Yeah, it's really strong. And these strong cartons, and we can help these accessories to keep their stable when in the long shipment. Okay, and that's all. Friends, now it's to the end, and very thanks for you to watching this kitchen accessories, our factories. And if you want to know more about our accessories, and welcome to follow us, and we will give you more details and more this information. Yes, see you next time. Bye bye.